Welcome to Quotable Quality Quotes. Excellent quote, in fact, by Albert Einstein. We can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them. Of course, he talked about the problems, but here, what I felt an important definition or the quote, and what I felt is currently post COVID scenario. We can't have a solution what we have created before COVID scenario, and the kind of thinking we had then. I don't think so it will sustain now. We can't think in the same kind of scenario now because the post COVID scenario is really a challenging, and the way of delivering value to the customer, way of doing business, and way of, even for example, lean language. If I define waste now, people would probably define much better than what they used to earlier, because the waste definition itself has been revised. The thinking pattern has been changed. It has challenged the status quo. Really, people use this, right? Status quo. I don't think so many of us would understand the same language. Why, what do you mean by status quo? The status quo has been challenged. Everybody was comfortable pre-COVID scenario, and the way of doing business, a number of processes, a number of steps you have, and so on, optimization, the level of optimization pre-COVID scenario. Now if you ask the same question to the people, optimization or waste definition, or can you identify some of the waste in your company, and so on and so forth, you will find the enormous amount of thinking pattern now, thinking ability now for the people because of the current challenge. So the quote is still valid. We can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them, but what I am saying is we can't have solutions, the same kind of solutions, when we had a different set of thinking before COVID scenario. That's how I link this quote. Excellent quote, by the way. Thank you so much for patiently listening to my quotable quality quote. And this is my channel leaning towards Six Sigma. Please do subscribe and comment. And I have other quality concepts, tools. I have been releasing a lot of videos on it. If you subscribe, you will come to know. Also, you will find it a lot of quality content developed over a period. Please listen and do subscribe. Thank you so much.